perhaps it's interesting to show how I use my food dryer that I bought approximately 3 years ago or so. I have harvested now in May 2025 celery here, and it was dried here in that food dryer. Works very nice, takes approximately 2 hours to dry it to a certain phase where it is so dry that you can crumble it with your fingers into powder, and that's here. So a good harvest, by the way, and this is a celery that I planted in 2025, and I have only used, say, the first sprouts. There were a lot of insects in that celery, and also here in that persil. I had to wash it thoroughly, and also here about the persil, taking out all the say bad leaves. They are here, like this, for instance, brown leaves, etc. Well, this, for instance. Well, so wash it thoroughly. That's my advice, to get all the insects out, say approximately 3 times, and I also immerse them here in the sink, and then give water to it, push it, and then use this to push all the leaves down into the water so that all the insects are drowning for, say, approximately 1 hour or so, and then wash it thoroughly again, etc., etc., and then put it in the dryer. This is that food dryer. Here is that persil. You can push it a little bit, no problem with that. After, say, approximately 2 hours or so, it is so extremely dry that you can pulverize it. Thanks for watching.